Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OE level past paper. Today, we shall discuss question number 2 of paper 4 mechanics, session May June 2023. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use this word my Topper Student. You will find the channel my Topper Student. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. In paper 4 mechanics session May June 2023, the question number 2 is two particles A and B are masses 3.2 kg and 2.4 kg respectively lie on a smooth horizontal table. A moves towards B with a speed of v meter per second and collides with B, which is moving towards A with the speed of 6 meter per second. In a collision, the two particles comes to rest. Find the value of V. In the part A, the given data is the mass of the first particle is 3.2 kg and mass of the second particle is 2.4 kg. Velocity for the first particle is v meter per second and velocity for the second particle is equal to 6 meter per second. U means initial velocity. After collision, according to the statement, the both particle becomes to rest, so the final velocity is equal to 0 for the first particle and for the second particle. In the initial momentum, we know that in momentum, as initial momentum equal to final momentum, according to the formula m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to m1 v1 plus m2 u2. By putting the value of m1 and u1, after simplification, we get v equal to 4.5 meter per second. So the velocity is equal to 4.5 meter per second. The negative due to the opposite direction. Motion in the opposite direction. For the part B, find the loss of kinetic energy of the system due to the collision. Now we shall find out the loss of kinetic energy due to the collision. Initial kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. By putting the value of mass and the velocity, we get 32.4. By using the 4.5, the velocity is calculated in part A. So final kinetic energy is minus 1 by 2, 2.46 whole square. After simplification, we get minus 43.2, negative due to the opposite direction, velocity. After this, we know that loss in kinetic energy is equal to final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Initial kinetic energy is final kinetic energy is minus 43.2 minus 32.4. After simplification, we get 75.6 joule, the loss in kinetic energy. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.